Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are fine and good. So today we are going to see that how you can add text. So let's have a start on this. So first of all, you can see that I told you in my last video that there were like couple of options over here. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to add text or titles into our video. When we'll click this, you can see bunch of uh, options are coming over here. Add text, AI generated, effects, text templates, auto captions, so local captions. So let me tell you from the start. So what is add text? Add text is mean about like you can add like text, like you can add a custom text that you want anything to do with that text. Let's suppose if I add this text, okay, it's default, like yeah, it's not any template, it's just the defaulting. You can just manipulate it by adding the colors, adding the like boldness into it, adding the shadow and all that stuff. So let me show you. So let's suppose I have already okay, let's write my name over. Okay, over here I will write, we will write anything that you want. And visual based. Okay, now you can see that I cannot like see, I can barely see the color. So after that we will change the font. You can also download all of these font ones because there are a lot of good fonts available in CapCut market. Okay, so I will just like keep it simple. Maybe, yeah, no, I think so, it's perfect. This one's looking good. So after that there is an option font size. From here you can increase or decrease the font size. You can also do it from here. And then style option came up, like you can make it bold, and you can put an underline over it, and then you can also make this bold text italic. And in case scenario, what you can do, you can make the text all of the uppercase on, and then you can also make it lowercase, and then you can make it like title case, like whatever you want to make. Okay, the other thing is color. This is the right like main thing. Like from here you can change the color of your text. Because also you can see there are different colors they have already given you. You can also create your own color, your own type of color. Okay, so you can see my color visual be skull, like any that you want to create. So I will choose maybe hmm let's, I think so, yeah, this one's looking good. Yeah, so maybe we should change the font too. Let's do that. hmm okay, let's I think so, classic. No, classics, no, majestic. Okay, this one's looking good. And after that, character, what basically like here you can do, you can add spacing in it, spacing in the characters. Okay, like you can see, as I'm increasing the numbers, the space between the characters is getting increased. Okay, so I think so it should be remain to 0, the line. So when I will click this, just 1 second. Let's suppose if this thing is into, if this thing is uh, into two, you can say if this thing is into two lines, and if I will increase the, if I will increase the numbering on it, the spacing between the line will get increased. So let's just make it up to 0, and I will make it back as it was before. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, okay. Okay, now other thing is like alignment. From here you can set your alignment that you want to. And after that, the most important thing came up, the preset style. Preset style is just like, you can say that like some sort of template or template color templates that you can choose for your text. For example, we click, like you can see, as I'm changing the colors, it's getting changed, like automatically shadow and all that stuff is automatically added in these all in all preset styles. You can see that how it's giving me the change. And this one, 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 maybe this one. By the way, I think so the like this was looking more good, maybe. Yeah, this one. Yeah, let's keep this simple. This one's look good. And after that, we will come up to position and size. Position and size is the same thing that I told you, like at the same time position and size is getting increased or decreased. And then if you come up to maybe, yeah, one second. Yeah, this is the same thing like positioning. It's regarding the positioning, that where you want to set the position. Okay, like let's make it 0. uh, your position will be settled over here. And after then, if we come to blend, what is blend? So blend is basically, you can say the opacity. You can set the opacity that you want to. Okay, so let's keep this 100. If you come to stroke, you can increase or decrease the stroke. From here you can change the color that you want to. I think so yellow will look more shocking a little bit. Yeah, this one. And thickness, you can increase or decrease the thickness from here. And after that, background, here you can add the background. Let's do this. Yeah, like you can see, like there are two type of backgrounds they have already given us. Like one is up to, let's make this. Now you can see the difference. When I'm clicking the first one, the whole proper, like there is a square background is coming up. And if we click the second one, it's just coming just direct point to the point. Like if you see, like it's just sticking up to right beneath the text. So I think so the first one is more good. We will just keep our text as it was before. Now we will come down and we will see about the different things like opacity. I have already told. Sorry. This is the opacity of your background. From here in the background, you can just like increase or decrease the opacity that you want. You can also round your background too. Like you can see how I have made it round, and you can increase its height, width, and y set. Okay, x offset, like anything that you want to do. I think so it's pretty much just right up to comparison like yeah, it's just hitting just like Premiere Pro. I can understand that. And if we come to the glow, you can give a glow to your text. Okay, and if we come to the range, you can increase or decrease its intensity in it. Maybe you can call it range. And then if we come to the shadow, you can add the shadow in it. Yeah, sorry. Okay, let's switch off the glow, and maybe background. Yeah, maybe we just have to, yeah. Okay, now you can see I can just change the shadow in it. Okay, you can see the blurriness. We can add it, like we can increase it or decrease it. Distance, you can set the distance over here. Angle, you can see that you can set angle from this point. And then in the last, if we just come up, yeah, I think so you cannot, we can only use it if the text. Okay, we will use it sometime different. Okay, but these are the main settings that we mostly probably use while we are editing on CapCut Pro. So I hope so you had understand the like text settings, like text options in it. If you need to know something more, you can just write mention it in the comment box, and I will surely let you know. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.